Google Play Store has some default settings that can actually send your data to Google, which is a serious privacy concern. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change these settings and protect your privacy. Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's start by opening the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile picture, and after that, go to Personalizations in Play. Tap on Other Play personalization options. Here, you will see that Play Store can send your device information to Google. Now, while this may not show highly sensitive data, but if you want 100% privacy, it's best to turn this feature off. Then go to your Play content and tap on Manage. Here you will see your app history, which Google can use for ads and recommendations. We are not going to disable everything, but let's turn off the most important ones. For example, contacts, Gmail, messages, social apps like Instagram, Messenger, Telegram or WhatsApp, and even Google Phone. Now, let's go back and scroll down to My Ad Center. This section tracks what you do inside apps and uses that data to show personalized ads. Scroll further and you will see what data it collects. Don't worry, you can simply turn it off here. Next, go back again and tap on your profile picture again. Tap on Settings and go to General. And again, tap on Account and Devices Preferences. Here, turn off email from Google Play, so you won't get promotional emails anymore. Tap back and scroll down a little bit to find App Install Optimization. This feature sends apps usage data to Google and drains your battery faster, so turn it off. Now scroll down again and go to About. And after that, tap on Play Store versions for 7 times. After that, scroll up and tap on General. And go to Developer Options. Here, you will see a setting that allows Play Store to install test apps and update itself automatically. This can be risky, so make sure to disable it. Finally, let's check Play Protect. Tap on your profile picture and after that, tap on Play Protect. Tap on gear icon and you will see 2 options here. The first one is useful. It scans apps for harmful files, so keep it on. But the second one sends app info back to Google and we don't want that. Turn it off. By turning this off, you are not only protecting your privacy but also saving your phone's battery life. One last tip. Go to your profile picture again. Tap on Help and Feedback. After that, search Delete. Tap on Delete apps on your Android device. And tap to go to Application Settings. Choose one app, for example, Adobe Acrobat. After that, scroll down a little bit and tap on Battery. And choose Optimized. This way, your apps use less battery and your phone lasts much longer. That's it. Now your phone is more private and your battery lasts longer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the 2 videos on screen right now for even more tips.